more men are addicted to the crack cocaine of the stock market, trading, investing. Maybe it's chemical and that it triggers something in the brain. I don't know. But the story says, David, Gamblers Anonymous meetings are filling up with people hooked on trading and betting. And then there are apps out there, it says, that make it as easy as ordering takeout. This doesn't sound good, David.
Well, no. I mean, we have the reality. If you remember, it's been about a year and a half now, but we had a young gentleman take his life down in Lincoln on losses he didn't actually incur on one of these easy-to-access apps, trading some of the meme stocks. You had the movie come out, Dumb Money, which, we talked about here, the Roaring Kitty trader, and all these college kids all over the country following along. And they're exactly just gambling, if you will, and not understanding how it works, how investing works, et cetera. And they're trading, they're not investing, very different, right? But they're looking for that endorphin, that hit. On top of that, it's not just this, and my son who does Noah does a ton of research for this. He's doing research right now on like FanDuel and DraftKings, these gambling apps. I love the guy, Dave Portnoy, Barstool Sports, right? He actually just saved a pizza place in Boston not that long ago with a $60,000 donation. It was a nice gift. But he was advocating betting on stocks, the simple gambling during the shutdown, the pandemic. People were sitting at home, had idle cash, and they got addicted. They were using these stimulus checks to basically bet on penny stocks and gamble, and you get a win or two. It's the worst thing because now they're addicted to it, and it's a real problem. I mean, I'm disgusted watching sports now. If you watch an NFL game, right, we're getting into the playoffs now. It's about to happen. It's exciting. Hey, here's the parlay bet. Yeah. I mean, all the big networks into it. It's disgusting. Yeah. But this is where we are. And sadly, I can tell you, it's going to become a much bigger problem than it is right now. But people are gambling, whether it's on the stock market. And I mean, I can remember when I first started trading, I got a little addicted to it. It's a nice endorphin when you hit a short-term trade. Early in my career, I played a lot of option trades, and you would hit a 3 or 4 bagger, as we'd call them. I mean, overnight, you took your money and 5x'd it. That's pretty exciting and thrilling, which makes it seem really easy to go put it back in. And it's just like at the casino. Why do slot machines pay out 98% of every dollar they put in? Because you're going to keep putting the dollars in. They're going to take all of it eventually.
There's a quotation from someone in the story here who says basically the same thing. He says, "Boy, it's so exciting and so easy to win a whole bunch of money all at once, but you can also lose everything just as quickly."
No, and we retired somebody who was a professional in this industry like 5 years ago right here in Omaha and worked for a large national firm and started trading some of these speculative options with a portion of the retirement assets and lost it all. And this was hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, had enough assets that retirement is still okay, but could have been a much brighter future without that. But the addiction of it, and those were assets held away from us. We weren't the ones trading it, et cetera. But again, I caution people out there, do not get addicted to gambling or trading, et cetera, because it ends badly. And if you have adult children like I do, make sure you're talking to them about this stuff. I've had conversations with both my adult boys in the last 30 days on this very topic.